Now, oops! What happened? Hello. Wow! What kind of book? Let me see. Show it to the camera. Show it. Train book? Wow. Okay, thank you, Jessica. I love you. So let's open it. Open the pages. It's a train book?
Yes.
Wow, Pete the cat rides the train, I think. Wow, it's about a cat who goes to ride a train. Great. Okay, we'll be waiting for more books now, okay?
This is a big book.
It is a big book. We're gonna read it together, okay?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye now.